Hi, Andrew here, and welcome to another episode of Black Country Preppers. Stay tuned if you want to see this little bar turned into a twisted rustic door handle. That's it.
Black Country Preppers.
So what we've got here is a steel bar. It is 13 centimeters square. And what we're going to do is measure it to 1600, mark it, and then we're going to cut that so we can put it in the forge, heat up, and knock it to shape. I've only got one set of hands, so I'm going to do that bit off camera. Now we've got it up to heat. What we're going to do is we're going to take it over to the anvil. We'll place it on the anvil and strike it right there to make it leap out. Right, now I'm going to do that and you'll see it from above. That's okay with me. What I've done, I've pierced one of them, one side, where I didn't have the camera on. But luckily there's a second side, so I can show you how to pierce them. Right, so once it's heated up, I'll show you how to do that. Put it over the ID hole, and that's that little hole there. Like so. Place a pin over there. Give it. Watch your fingers. Straight through. Like so. Might have enough heat left to flatten that back out. If not, we'll just heat it back up. There we go. Then the next bit, I'm going to heat the centre and twist it. Against the clock here. What we're going to do, lock it in the vice. This to its size. And now twist it. Like so. Cool. Now put it back in the heat. I'll have a look at it, then twist it again. Hopefully you've got that. For the next bit, I'm going to put the metal across the horn or nose. Then I'm going to hold it and bang it round to try and make it curved. Put it up above, but I don't know if you'll see it properly. We'll see. we go. Hopefully it's in there. What now I'm going to do is lift that up there, flatten that, and bend that out. Hopefully it'll look okay. Clean it up. So, here we go. Here's the finished handle. Got the 2 holes. Now, all we got to do now is put it on the door. I need to make a door. Please like, comment and subscribe. What do you mean no? Until next time, see you shortly.